Want to program a key fob for your 1998 to 2010 Ford Expedition? It's easier than you think. Ford dealerships no longer support these models, so DIY is the way to go. Key fobs work by sending radio frequency signals to your car's receiver module. We need to sync the fob with your Expedition system. Newer aftermarket tools support Ford's older PATS, passive anti-theft system, and can clone or program fobs in minutes. Before you begin, replace the fob battery, which is usually a CR2032 coin cell, and ensure your vehicle battery is in good condition. A working key is also needed. Let's get started. Here's the step-by-step guide for programming key fobs on 1998 to 2010 Ford Expedition models. Step 1. Close all doors and insert your key into the ignition. Step 2. Turn the key from off to on rapidly, without starting the engine, repeating this 3 to 5 times within 10 seconds. The number of cycles depends on the year of your vehicle. Step 3. Leave the key in the on position. The horn may honk or lights may flash, indicating programming mode. Step 4. Immediately press any button on the key fob. The horn should honk, confirming the sync. Repeat this for any additional fobs you want to program, up to 4 total. Step 5. Turn the ignition off or wait 20 seconds to exit programming mode. Important considerations for key fob programming. Ensure to do the key cycles and programming within the time limits given. If the vehicle's battery dies during programming, it can reset the system. Incorrect programming can trigger the anti-theft alarm, and you may need to clear codes via an OBD2 scanner. If you have a 2007-2010 Expedition with MyKey, consult your owner's manual for specific steps.